In this video, we are gonna talk about US Embassy of India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Let's talk about US Embassy of India. President Biden signed a presidential proclamation on April 30 that halted most non-immigrant travel from India. Routine non-immigrant visa and VAC appointments at the US Embassy in New Delhi and the consulates in Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Mumbai remain extremely limited due to the travel ban and the current pandemic situation in India. If you have a scheduled appointment, please check your US Travel Docs account to see if your appointment is still valid. They are unable to speculate on future cancellations or respond to inquiries about appointment availability. Emergency services for citizens of the United States will continue. Let's talk about US Embassy of Pakistan. Limited immigrant and non-immigrant visa interviews have resumed at the US Embassy in Islamabad. The Karachi Consulate General has resumed limited non-immigrant visa processing. If you have an urgent matter and need to travel right away, please request an emergency appointment using the instructions provided. Many visa applicants have paid the visa application processing fee but have yet to schedule a visa appointment, according to the US Mission in Pakistan. They are working hard to get all routine visa operations back up and running as soon as possible. Meanwhile, rest assured that the United States Mission will extend the validity of your payment, known as the MRV fee, until September 30, 2022. To allow all applicants who were unable to schedule a visa appointment due to the suspension of routine consular operations to schedule or attend a visa appointment with the already paid fee. Let's talk about US Embassy of Bangladesh. Because of Bangladesh's ongoing countrywide lockdown, the US Embassy in Dhaka has cancelled all immigrant visa appointments from April 5 to May 30, 2021. All B1 or B2 visa appointments scheduled between May 6 and June 30, 2021 have also been cancelled. The MRV fee is valid for 1 year from the date of payment or until September 30, 2022, whichever comes first, and can be used to schedule an interview appointment in the country where it was paid.